Jai Sriman-Narayana. After revealing the entire story of Vishwamitra, how he became Brahmarshi, Satananda narrated this entire story to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Janaka Maharaju also was sitting there, and there are so many other great rishis. Then Janaka Maharaju did pradakshinam to Vishwamitra Maharshi, saying that, "O Brahmarshi, pavitoham tvaya brahman darsanena mahamune." With your darsanam, I am totally got sanctified, purified. I am so blessed with your darsanam. And he did one pradakshina to Vishwamitra Maharshi. After that, everybody left to their places, saying that tomorrow morning let us all come together and meet here in the same place. Then in the next day morning, Janaka, Vishwamitra, Rama, Lakshmana and all the munis, all the rishis came down to one place in that Yagasala. Then Vishwamitra Maharshi is asking, "Oh Janaka, show that great dhanus, the bow that you have, show that to Rama and Lakshmana." Janaka says, "Brahmarshi, definitely I will do that. Before that, I would like to give you some more details about that Siva dhanus that I have. One of my ancestors, his name is Devarata. Paramasiva gave this dhanus to Devarata and asked him to preserve. That is the dhanus, it is been carried out. It is been coming through the generations in our dynasty." Janaka says, and also he adds that, "Oh Vishwamitra Maharshi, when Daksha was performing yajna, there were no oblations given to Paramasiva in that yajna. With that, Paramasiva got so much angry and he took this dhanus and lifted this dhanus and about to cut down necks of all the heads of all the devatas. Then all the devatas got so much scared and went and prayed and surrendered to Paramasiva. With their prayers, Paramasiva got pleased, and then at that time Paramasiva gave this bow, dhanus, to Devarata and told him to preserve. Like that, this dhanus has been coming in my dynasty," Janaka says. And also Janaka adds to that, "Oh Brahmarshi, in one of those days when I was wanting to do yajna, I was cultivating this land to do yajna. While cultivating in that process, I found a beautiful girl here." Like that, Janaka telling about how he found a girl in the land. Janaka Maharaju is talking to Vishwamitra Maharshi, saying that, "Oh Maharshi, while I am plowing the land for my yajna, I found a beautiful girl. That is why I named her as Sita. And also, the Paramasiva gave one bow to my ancestors. That bow is there within our family. So, I decided to marry my daughter Sita to someone who can really lift the bow and stretch the bow." Then Vishwamitra Maharshi is asking, "Now you bring your bow here." Then Janaka Maharaju says, "Oh Maharshi, there has been so many kings tried to do that, tried to lift the dhanus, but none of them could succeed in that. In addition to that, they all got mad at me and they all tried to destroy my kingdom. Then, along with Devatas, with the help of Devatas, I fought with all these kings. Like that, Janaka Maharaju tells about everything to Vishwamitra Maharshi. And also says that, "Oh Maharshi, come, I will take 3 of you to show that Dhanus. Let me see if Rama could lift that Dhanus and stretch it." Then Janaka Maharaju orders his soldiers to bring Sivadhanus. 5,000 people, they all together with so much of pain, they brought such a big, huge basket in which Sivadhanus is there. They all brought that basket to Sri Rama, Lakshmana, Vishwamitra Maharshi, wherever they are. With meditation upon Sri Ramachandra Swami, who is touching that Sivadhanus, let us now do Sri Rama Nama Smarana. Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.